2 square root of 2 comma 0. The other focus is 2 times the square root of 2 from the center, but now we're going to the left. And that point is negative 2 times the square root of 2 comma 0.
So, the c squared minus a squared.
C squared equals a squared minus b squared.
That's to find the focus.
That's to find the focus. Okay, so I've made a little sketch and I've located the foci. To me, it helps to make the little sketch so that I know whether my foci are going to be x-axis or y-axis. When I make the little sketch, I know this one's going to be x-axis, so I can put 2 root 2 comma 0. I know where it's going. And right now, since we're centered at 0, 0, that step gets easy. Okay. Now we'll find the equation given the focus and a covertex. And my focus, or my foci, are going to be at 0 and plus and minus 4. That represents 2 points. And my co-vertices are going to be at plus and minus 2 comma 0. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a little sketch. My focus at 0 comma 4 and 0 comma negative 4, and my co-vertices at 2 comma 0 and negative 2 comma 0. So I'm going to put dots for my co-vertices, and I'm just making a sketch. I'm going to put dots for my vertices, and they're going to be a little beyond the 4 and the negative 4. And these are the ones I got to figure out what they are. Okay? So, and they may not be whole numbers, so, we'll go and we'll see if we can find these. So my sketch needs to go through the 2 and the negative 2, but be a little bit above and below the 4 and the negative 4, because those are just the foci. I'll put purple dots at the foci because that's the way I was doing them before. All right, now I have got one that's vertically oriented. So my equation with the foci, with the distance to the foci, is c squared equals b squared minus a squared. C squared equals b squared minus a squared. All right. I have the distance to my foci is 4. So my c is 4. So that's going to be 4 squared. Equals the distance to my vertex up here. I don't know, so I'm going to leave that as b squared. Minus the distance to my co-vertex from my center. Oh, that's 2. So I have 4 squared equals b squared minus 2 squared. So that's 16 equals b squared minus 4. Add 4. And I get that b squared is equal to 20. So b is the square root of 20, which is 2 root 5, in case you want to know. Or check yourself, I guess. Alrighty, now I have everything I need to know for the equation of my ellipse. Because my ellipse is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. Yes. It simplifies to 2 root 5. If I need to name the point, then yes, you should simplify it.
Okay.
Right now I'm just writing the equation and I'm going to show you I didn't even need to do that. All right? Yes.
Is b squared the distance between the focus and
The center. B is the distance from the center to the vertex. All right, so my equation x squared over a squared, a is the distance from the center to this covertex, that's 2. So 2 squared. Plus y squared over b squared. Oh, b squared is 20. Equals 1, and I should write that as x squared over 4 plus y squared over 20 equals 1. And there's why I didn't even need to finish off square rooting the b, because really all I needed was the b squared. Okay, ready to try some on your own? Mm-hmm.